Hi guys, my name is Fida and today I will be showing you how to repack Upliance 2.0. So firstly, let's begin with putting the weighing slab right in its place. So you remove the weighing slab, put it right underneath and make sure it is secure. Post this, we will be packing all the accessories. Please ensure that you return all of these accessories. The steamer basket, both the blade plugs and 2 sets of measuring spoons. So now that you have placed all the accessories, let's put them inside the jar and place the foam for extra protection and you close the lid. So now that everything is tight and secure in the place, let's put the jar back onto the device and we proceed with rest of the packing. And we start off with the base. Lift up your appliance, put it inside the foam. There is place at the back to put in the plug. So please ensure you fold up the wire and put the plug right in its place. Take the weighing slab, turn it upside down so that the slab faces towards the foam for protection. Make sure it's in there tight and secure. Flip it around and close it on top. Your spatula has a place right here on top and it fits in just like a perfect glove. So these are the two types of sides that come. Please pick in the one with the curve right here, and this goes right next to the jar. This slab is placed for the screen to move in. So here you go. You've been packed up the entire appliance in its foam and now it's time to put it inside the box. So make sure you keep the box just like this, the opening towards the box. Just turn the entire packaging, lift it up slightly and just push it inside. So now that you've pushed it onto the cartoon, all now you have to do is just push it inside. So I've pushed in the foam packaging inside the box. So this is how it looks like. And now all you have to do is first close the bottom. Make sure these two flaps go inside the box. Put in a little pressure to close it. And here you go. Your box is just as it was.